How to link QuickBooks Online to your bank account. Are you bogged down on the bookkeeping admin? Connect your bank account to your QuickBooks profile and you've cut your work in half. Why? Because in the climate of AI and automation, you don't need to be hassled by manual processes. Already have a QuickBooks account? Link your banking profile and streamline your processes fast. How to do it? 1. Log into QuickBooks Online. 2. Go to banking and select connect or add account. 3. Search for your bank from the drop-down. It supports most banks and credit unions. 4. Enter your online banking username and password, then click connect. And 5. Choose your account type, checking, savings or credit card. Voila! Once connected, QuickBooks will automatically download and categorize transactions for you. All you have to do is review and verify. From Bank of America to American Express, Fidelity Bank and Capital One, the integration is compatible with most major banks and credit unions. But if your bank isn't listed, you can upload transactions manually. 1. Download a CSV file of your transactions from your bank. 2. In QuickBooks, go to banking and upload transactions. And 3. Follow the prompts and import them and match them to your accounts. While this process is typically simple, some banks may require extra security checks, but it's intuitive if you follow the prompts. Simply check your online banking profile. If you see only the business owner can consent, contact your bank for authorization. And for persistent issues, contact QuickBooks support or your bank. Few things to remember. Security is key. Ensure that only authorized users can access financial data. Some banks take time to update transactions, which means your records might be slightly delayed. You have to review your transactions to avoid duplicate transactions slipping through. Need support? Fusion CPA are experienced QuickBooks accountants. We can help you implement and integrate your software setup to suit your needs. Schedule a discovery call. Need bank-specific integration info? Read our blog linked for more information.